Hi guys, Ollie and Luke here. It's Sunday, bath day. I'm going to try and wash Ollie a bit more this time around just to try to get him used to it, being in there a bit longer. I'm going to get wet. Come on.
There you go, huh? Come on. Show them. It's okay. It's okay. You're going to fight, huh? It's okay. Come here. Come on. You got all the soap on you? We're not done. There we go. See, I don't mind being wet. It's you that minds. This is definitely one of the wetter baths. Jeez. Just one more rinse. Come on. There we go. Good job. It's okay. Good job. Yeah, I heard someone was talking some mess about the baths. What's funny is I can show my baths. Interesting. There it goes, all right. Help, everyone, help! So we got the microfiber one. And then we'll let him run around a bit. Oh, undercarriage, sorry. I know it's a delicate area for you. Me too. Yeah. No one likes the taint tickled. Huh. Go ahead, dry off a bit more if you want. We got you. You're all right. So if I hold him by the tail, he don't mind. I just kind of let him do his thing. Come here. He's got beef with the towels. So I'm not going to give him a treat. I'm going to let him dry off a bit. It's okay. I'm going to put him back up in his little small enclosure with a towel and let him do his monkey thing. So he's all wet, so I put him back in his enclosure. Whenever you guys see me take him upstairs, I only put the diaper on him when he's wet to you know, give him his treat or whatever. But since I didn't do that today, he can dry off normally. This is how he normally dries off. When no one's around and watching. It's super funny to watch. Yeah, you're just wiggling around. You're just wiggling around.
He's wiggling around.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah. All right, bro. Get dry. Get dry. All right. Roll over, Ollie. Just kidding, guys. Oh, yeah. Oh, you're all fluffy and puffy.
I go over.
Okay. All right. I'm going to go put my hoodie in the dryer. Say bye, everyone. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.